Fine, let us start solving the fourth problem here. Right, find the distance covered by a man walking for 12 minutes at a speed of 3.5 km per hour. Right, this is what the question they have given. Now to do that, what, see here you need to observe, we need to find the distance, correct? We need to find the distance. They have given a time, they have given 12 minutes, that is very important thing. Minutes, in terms of minutes they have given, and second one is speed, they have given speed is equal to 3.5 km per hour. Right, we know distance is equal to what? Speed into time, correct? Speed into time. What is speed? That is 3.5 km per hour, and time they have given 12 minutes. We need to convert it into what? Into hour, that divided by 60. Now let us check out. So 12 ones are 12 fives are, correct? So now what we got? 3.5 by 5. This is kilometer per hour we got, kilometer we got, but we need to convert it into meters, because the answer they have given, the options they have given in terms of what? Meter. So that we need to convert. So now what you can do, that is 3.5 by 5 into 1000. Now 5 ones are 5, 0.7, which is going to be 0.7 into 1000, which is nothing but 700 meter. The answer is 700 meter. Hope you understood. Here the conversion is very important part. That's it.